In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the NETWORKDAYS function here in Google Sheets. So in a previous video, we've actually talked about the workday function, which gives you the end date after a number of working days. But for our NETWORKDAYS function, it does the opposite. It tells you how many working days there are between two dates. So this function counts the number of working days, which is your Monday to Friday, between two dates, automatically skipping weekends. And like our workday function, you can also exclude specific holidays from the count. Let's get started. We have our syntax right here. It's quite simple, very straightforward. We have our start date and our end date. And if there are holidays that you want to exclude from the count, you can add them as well. So let's start with a basic count. Put in your equal sign, type in network days, or select it right here. Select your start date, which is this one right here, which is our date today, comma, and our end date, which is September 17. Press enter, and there you have it. So we have 14 working days between these two dates right here. Now let's try and skip a holiday. I want to skip this holiday right here, which is September 1st. Now with our formula, you can also hard code your dates. That's totally up to you. If we try it right now, type in network days. When you put in your dates, remember to put them in quotation marks. So that's 8/29/2025, comma, in quotations again, our end date, 9/17/2025, comma, and for our holiday, which is in cell C10, press enter. There you have it. Now we have 13 total working days, excluding this holiday right here. And the same with our workday function. Our NETWORKDAYS function is also dynamic with the today function. So let's go ahead and try that out. Put in your equal sign, NETWORKDAYS right here. Then our today function, there we go, comma, our end date, which is this one right here. And if we were again to exclude that holiday, press enter, and there you have it. So this function is helpful with your project planning. It can count actual working days for a task duration. With your HR and payroll, it can calculate number of work days an employee worked between two dates, and deadline tracking, how many working days are left until a due date. And there you have it. That's how you can use the NETWORKDAYS function here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.